Alright, these are all your parts. You already know the names of them. So I'm going to reassemble the whole gun this time. I just got done cleaning them. Set. Okay. First, lower, upper. I showed you in the last video. As a matter of fact, I forgot to lube this. And I'm using Royal Purple motor oil, 5W20 to be specific, to lube my firearms. Judge me all you want to. I do not care. And then I put a little bit on here. A little coating. All right. Lower, upper. They're connected. Okay. And here's where you're going to take your 7/30 second. That's 7/30 seconds, right? Whatever the fuck it is, I don't know. Allen key bit. Put it in our channel. Okay. Now what I do is I'll put this on just like this. It's going to look a little funky. Then you go from the bottom again. And then you flip it upside down. Ugh. Screw in, screw in, screw in. You're gonna feel tension. There we go. Not on the camera. Now, you don't want to super duper tighten this motherfucker because you don't want to strip it. So nice and snug, just like a spark plug. Okay, once again I lost a bit and fucking bit stuck. Nope, it's not. Just gotta smack it around a little bit. And there was the bit. Okay, that's done. Okay, now we could start assembling our bolt and bolt carrier. This guy. This guy. Oop. Want your extractor facing forward on here. See that right? Goes up and down. If yours doesn't do that, you're a fucking idiot. Alright, so we got that put back together. Spring on there. Take our bolt. See if I can do this while looking at the camera. Now this can be very difficult. Okay, these rails, both of these, have to align perfectly inside here. And see, I'm stopped. So that means I gotta pull out a little bit. Try to line them up. And there we go. Now they're in. Okay. So now we're gonna switch over to this side. Okay. And then you're gonna flip this up. All right, so now she can't come out. All right. So now we have that working for us. We're gonna, you already know, little notch. We're gonna line up perfectly in here, but as before, we're releasing tension. And see, now this moves up and down freely, okay? So we could do it like this. Notch. Fuck. Okay, there it is. Okay, so now you guys can actually see it because I've been making videos and you guys can't really see it. But see how I'm moving this with my hand? But I release some of the tension off of here, okay? So you relieve a little bit of this so that you can see a little notch right there. You line it up like that, right in the notch, and then you can take that out. Okay, now that we got that on, we're gonna take our light load gas ring, put it in the barrel like this, with the end of the barrel down here, and this is what's gonna go into the upper receiver. You're gonna stick it in just like this. And yes, that's lubricated with motor oil as well. Alright. So you're gonna put this. As a matter of fact, we're gonna do it the other way so you guys can see. Okay. So there's a notch right here. That's gonna go and fit on the left side of your bolt. Okay? It's gonna go into here. Okay? And you're gonna feel a little recess right on that side where that little notch is gonna fit right into. I don't know why the fuck I just did that, but whatever. Okay. Once you get everything aligned up, you're gonna rack the bolt back to the rear, and it's gonna just fall. Uh-oh. There it goes. Okay. While holding the barrel down, I'm putting tension on the barrel, pushing down, and put the ring on. Because if you don't push the tension down, see how it comes up? So you're gonna hold it down. And then 1, 2 clicks, barrel secure. All right, home stretch. Take your whole forend, got the carrying handle, front side post. Just give it a nice little tap. Put on the magazine tube cap. So it doesn't click anymore. And I'll take my little muzzle brake choke thing. And this isn't modified, this is full cylinder. Do not Loctite this down, please. I made that mistake and I was fucking stupid. All right, and after that, put our buttstock back on. Take your screw, right here. Don't put this one in tight either, just nice and snug. All right, see if she works. Hold it down, listen for the clunk. Done game. Fully assembled.